It's 11:30 a.m. Wednesday morning, October 18th, 2023. We're aboard Via Rail Train 693, operating from Winnipeg, Manitoba Union Station to the polar bear capital of the world, Churchill, Manitoba. We're currently on the Hudson Bay Railway north of Wabowden, Manitoba, south of Thompson, Manitoba. The sun just came out, so I thought I'd take a little video here.
Thicket Portage.
We're in the Skyline, the Bud-built stainless steel upper level of the Skyline of our Skyline dome car on the Hudson Bay Railway between La PAS and Churchill. And we have two Diesel Division General Motors Canada Limited, London, Ontario stroke Electromotive Division General Motors Corporation, McCook, Illinois F40PH-2D Diesel Electric Locomotives, one stainless steel combine built by Bud Company, Philadelphia Red Lion plant, two stainless steel coaches built by Bud Philadelphia Red Lion plant, a stainless steel dome car built by Bud Company Red Lion Philadelphia plant. Bringing up the rear of the sleeping car, stainless steel sleeping car, Chateau Bienville, Beinville, also built by Bud Company Red Lion plant, Philadelphia, and I've got an upper berth in the Chateau Bienville. The view inside the upper level.
Getting off for us at Thicket Portage.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to stop for 5 minutes at Thicket Portage.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to wrap that video up. I'm going.
And it's now 11:40 a.m. Wednesday morning, October 18th, 2023. We're about to stop at a few minutes at Thicket Portage. Over and out.
Got to look at the